Today I'm going to read one of Luke's favorites, The Snowstorm Surprise by Richard Scarry. He's one of my favorites. The Snowstorm Surprise. Hucklecat and Lowly Worm look out of the window. It's raining outside. Leafless winter tree branches blow in the winter wind. Mother Cat has asked the boys to tidy their room. It's not much fun. Why doesn't it ever snow? Huckle asked Lowly. All it does is rain. If it snowed, Lowly said, what fun we could have. We could go sledding and skiing. We could build a snow fort and we could make a snowman. Just then, Mother Cat comes into the room. My, what a neat room, she says. You boys must not have had time to look out the window. Look, it snowed. Once outside, it had begun to snow. Big white snowflakes tumble down. They stick to the ground and turn everything white. Can we play outside, Mother? Huckle asks. I want to ski, says Lowly Worm. You'll need a lot of snow for that, says Mother. You may have to be patient. In the meantime, you can taste the snowflakes. She bundles the boys up warmly and sends them out to play. And then she begins to make a cake in the oven. She's got her sugar out and her measuring cups, her whisk and her flour. It's snowing very hard. Shall we make a snowman? Huckle suggests. The boys busily roll balls of snow around the yard. Lowly asks Mother Cat for a carrot for the snowman's eyes, and cookies, a carrot for the nose, and cookies for the eyes, and cookies for the buttons, and a bright red scarf for the snowman's neck. By the time they have finished, the snow is already deep. Huckle and Lowly are cold and wet. They decide to warm themselves inside the house. Mother Cat hangs their wet clothes near the stove and makes them hot cocoa. There's a knock at the door. It's the three beggars. Hairy Hyena, Benny Baboon, and Wolfgang Wolf. Mother Cat, says Hairy Hyena, we are cold and hungry. If we shovel your driveway, would you have something for us to eat? Mother Cat invites them inside and serves them cocoa and cookies. Thank you, Mother Cat, they say. Mother Cat puts the cake into the oven. That smells good. A yellow light flashes outside. It's the snowplow. Crunch. It makes a loud noise and comes to a halt. Look what it's bumped into. Somebody's car was hidden in the snow. Again, there is a knock at Mother Cat's door. It's Mr. Fix-It. Hello, Mother Cat, he says. It's snowing so hard, I can't see where to plow. May I rest here for a moment? Mother Cat invites Mr. Fix-It inside. How good it smells in here, he says. What are you baking? A cake, Mother Cat replies. Snowstorm cake. I'd like a slice of snowstorm cake. As Mother Cat pulls the cake out of the oven, there's another knock at the door. Who can it be this time, she wonders. It is Mr. Frumble. Oh, do please excuse me, he said. I wonder if I could telephone Mr. Fix-It. Someone has parked a snowplow on top of my car. Oh boy, Mother Cat invites Mr. Frumble inside. Everyone's gathering around that cake. Huckle and Lowly want to go outside again. The snow is now so deep, the snowman is buried up to his neck. The boys try to pull the sled, then they try to walk on the skis, but it's no use. They sink into the deep snow. Now I think we have too much snow, Huckle says with a laugh. They go back inside and make drawings of the snowstorm to show Father Cat when he gets home from work. There's yet another knock at the door. It's Sergeant Murphy. Hello, Mother Cat, he says. I wonder if you can help. The Busy Town bus is stuck in the snow. The passengers are cold. Could they warm up here until the storm has passed? Mother Cat invites all the bus passengers in. There's the mommy mouse with the screaming baby mouse. Wah, wah. There's the owl and the alligator and the anteater and a goat. And there's Pig Will or Pig Won't. I don't know which one. And there's the rabbit and Greenbug and Banana's gorilla and Mr. Frumble and Hilda Hippo. There's so many guests. Finally, the kitchen door opens without a knock. Who is it? It's Father Cat, home from work. What a surprise! Everyone sings happy birthday, Father Cat. The house has been decorated and candles burn atop the snowstorm cake. Everyone has a wonderful time. They all agree that snowstorm cake is delicious, and it is Father Cat's biggest birthday party ever. The end.